So here's the lab bench. We first did delta closure test. On this meter here, we read 77.6 volts. It's close to the secondary line voltage, but we can look on this screen here. The yellow one is measuring the delta closure test. The waveform will be 3 times of the blue one. The blue one is measuring the line voltage on the secondary side. Okay, because I didn't close the whole 3-phase transformer, that's why the secondary side, the line voltage, wasn't a perfect sine wave. But this display just try to showing you the yellow waveform will be 3 times more frequency than the blue one. Because blue one is the fundamental 60 Hertz, the yellow one is actually at 180 Hertz. So even you read 77.35 volts down here, it's the line voltage, but it's the third harmonic voltage. So we still will be able to close this delta. Now I'm going to do it to close this delta. So before I turn the power on, I connect the 3-phase delta connected load. I want to measure each 2 terminal of the resistance, make sure my delta load don't have a short circuit in there. So measure the first one, 10.3. Measure second set, 10.3. Measure the third set, it's also 10.3, 10.2 ohms. So I don't have a 0 reading on there. I'm sure my load is connected right. So I'm going to put those load into the circuit. Now I'm going to turn the power on. So the power on, the load have a voltage down here. The load have a voltage of 70.9 volts, which is the phase voltage, is also the line voltage because the secondary is connecting delta. Now I'm going to use a voltmeter to measure the secondary line voltage down here. It's 71 volts. And if I measure the secondary phase voltage, it's also going to be close to 71 volts. If I measure the primary line voltage, it's 240 volts. And if I measure the primary phase voltage, it's going to be 142 volts. Now I'm going to measure the current. I measure the phase current here is 4.7 amps. If I measure the line current here, it will be 8.2 amps. So that's on my low side. For the transformer, secondary, I measure the phase current, 4.6 amps. Primary side, phase current, 2.4, 2.5 amps. And the primary line current gonna be 2.4, 2.5 amps. So I can see the primary side, line current, phase current are the same because it's a Y connection. Secondary side, line current will be √3 higher than the phase current because it's delta connection. And all the measurement is very close to what we calculate on the board. If you have any question, send us an email or connect us online.